S for science.
S for science.
So STEM education, the first is science, you see. T for technology.
T for technology.
We use different types of technologies. E for engineering.
E for engineering.
And M for mathematics.
M for mathematics.
So you see here, STEM is everything. Everybody say, we love STEM.
We love STEM.
Isn't it really nice?
Yes.
And yeah, ladies and gentlemen, dear parents, and also the people of the country, TESOL Elementary School has been an example of Bangladesh. This is the best school ever, because no school, in my opinion and in my observation, I've never seen these little scientists do experiments on science. We have got hundreds of experiments of science, and we have got actually documentation. And next year, every student will have a uniform, science uniform, goggles, then gloves, masks and everything. And we'll have science day. Every week, one science day, another week a math day, engineering day. Okay, this way we'll actually continue 2026. And there'll be different scientists will come to visit our school. They'll show us how to do experiments. Doctors will come, university teachers will come, and they'll teach you as well. Yeah, and doctors will come for regular checkup. So you are going to learn not by memorizing, but by doing. We call it learning by doing approach. And our teachers are really amazing. Every teacher is so hardworking, and our parents are really aware that this school is not a traditional school like so-called school. This is really an amazing school, and we'll have a chain school, 500 schools all over the country by 2035. Before I die, this is my wish that I want to establish 500 schools all over the country so that all schools can serve our motherland, Bangladesh. And thank you, Ms. Sanjida, because she is an amazing teacher. In the beginning of 2025, I gave her some 200 experiments, and alhamdulillah, she is making 4 to 5 experiments every week. And all the experiments will be in the app of TESOL Bangladesh, Jollyphonics or English with the app. So you can see the experiments there. And we are creating some little scientist projects. We will turn every house into a science laboratory. So I'm really happy. May Allah bless all of you, dear students, little scientists, and the teacher, and all teachers of TESOL Elementary School. And thank you, Mr. Zulfikar, for visiting our school.